Speed is the life of the machine.
Don't look straight.
Count the steps. Past the hour.
Fast. Quota met. Just numbers. Or even the water belongs to the straight line.
Right!
They cut the water!
Forma pa te paz!
Hold the land! Hold the water! Hold the graves! If we pull back, they'll drive their stakes to our door!
If we strike now, they have thousands.
Tens of thousands. We have thousands.
Courage isn't enough.
We make them lose the way. We pull them higher, where their lungs burn.
Stakes to the weir. No gaps.
Understood. Wait! Listen to the wind! Hold!
Pull! Ah!
Don't kill them all. Take the measuring cord.
Their cord doesn't tie the mountain.
Mountain! Mountain!
Lose cord, replace cord.
I want their heads.
I want their signature. If they won't sign, make them sign with a scar.
Break it! Advance! Don't stop! Hit them so they have no tomorrow! Hold the steps!
Ah!
Don't clump! Charge! Flank the slope! Hit the ammo wagon!
With me. Fast! We did it! Fall back! Hold! Don't leave! This land is not for sale.
Breath! Breath!
They're burning the grass that's burning next season.
Their victory is a future that won't grow. Sign!
Not for sale.
Just one stroke, and you live.
Children, here there is only the present.
Don't sign!
Charge! Kill! Hold the land!
We held win the terrace for 1 day. They will come back there.
They don't need to win fast. They only need us to wear out.
If we leave, land becomes paper. If we stay, we become criminals. Then we'll be the mountain's criminals.
From now on, there is no village as before. Only winding paths and footprints.
Exist!
Bridge! Move! Now!
If we leave, land becomes paper. If we stay, we become criminals. They don't need to win fast, only to make us empty. No village now. Only footprints.
Move! Crack! Side! Now!
Don't call them people. Call them a problem, and it becomes solvable.
I solve with the blade.
I solve with the word.
Forward!
They nail the ground like they nail a chest.
If the chest still breathes, the nail hasn't won.
They say the straight line is real, but my truth is the curve. It passes graves.
Mark it!
This gully is a problem.
Wait for the wind, then move.
Keep the line! Step on the line! Forward!